What's up? Jason Hopkins here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about emails that convert to sales, two simple strategies. Now, before I begin, I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that bell notification so that you don't miss out on future content that I provide. So the first strategy is basically top marketers that are earning huge in commissions. What they're doing is they're utilizing email marketing to create more leads and sales by doing marketing research on other top marketers that have emails that have a high converting rate. They call a swipe file. So these swipe files are basically copies of emails. In these emails, there's clues and certain methods. For example, a subject line. Um, Email has like headlines and also the body. Also things that are in bold or italic text. They study how they hyperlink certain sentences that makes the reader click want to know more about something to get them to click. And also they study in these emails the call to action. Now, there's going to be a link in the description box below this video. So if you want to learn more about how to write better sales messages, I want you to be sure to get instant access to that site. Now, the next step is that these top marketers, once they find these emails, they think it's going to grab the attention of their audience, is that they are going to get them to click and buy, is that they are going to read these emails at least 10 times. So they're going to read them 5 times silently and then 5 times aloud. And then they're going to begin to write out these emails repeatedly until it makes sense. Now, I know this sounds tedious, but in order to be proficient at something, you practice the fundamentals repeatedly. Just like how a basketball player wants to get better at, being a better shooter. They focus on that. They focus themselves on that one thing until they become a better perimeter shooter, right? So as a digital marketer that wants to get better at emails that convert to making sales, is that repetition is the mother of all skills. So reading persuasive emails 10 times and writing them out of dozens of times until it's clear, and it's going to make you proficient at writing persuasive emails. Well, that's all I have for you right now. I trust you got value from this, and if I'm right, I want you to be sure to smash that like button, comment, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure to like, comment, and share. My name is Jason Hopkins. Thank you for watching.